Please don't kill me today.
Yo, man.
Show me this side.
With this, you won't get beeped.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, you put that ice in that.
Choo choo, Emily.
What?
Ready to start the vlog?
No, I need to gas.
Wow, anticlimactic beginning.
I'm glad you weren't filming when I was driving. Were you driving? Why were you driving?
Yo, we gotta document our trip. First road trip. Mini road trip.
2 hours. Road trip?
Mini road trip!
I'm really sleepy.
Already.
Can you see the tears in my eyes? Okay, okay. Need a bit close. Welcome to Glendale Falls. It's like one of those movies where they're like, welcome to something high, and then it opens, you don't know. Okay,
The local. Hey, where are you going?
I just washed my car.
Ooh, it's a little dusty.
Can we take a moment for this car?
Oh my god!
Huh?
So here we have Renee, photographer Chu, taking photos like a boss. We have currently lost Emily and Donna. Well,
Emily! Where you is?
maybe this is gonna be a bad idea to vlog and walk.
What?
To vlog and walk. Ooh, stairs. More stairs. Look at the photographer stance. Such squat.
If you know me. Are you ready?
Today we got strawberry.
Strawberry.
Wait, are we? Oh, we got more. So now we be climbing down the crazy waterfall. Emily is witnessing Mother Nature at its finest. Donna's one with nature. Renee is one with photography. Life of a photographer. What are you doing? That's so. That's so. Having fun, Emily?
You should have asked her, like, should have straight up, no. Wait, I got that. Man, I'll be my model.
I
Someone be my
suck.
model.
How do you rate the day so far?
Driving? 9 out of 10, it's fine.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It was only like about 2 hours.
Here, 9 out of 10. I didn't call it 9 out of 10. Mine is how hot it is. I want to eat. I have a picnic. A picnic with no substantial food.
It's all fruits. Maybe
I keep looking here. I need to look here.
Yeah, look at the bananas. So we do Gongjoman.
Yo, go on!
Just kidding. I don't want to subtitle anymore. I'm good. There's our friends. We don't want to use this one.
effect. It sounds like you're peeing on it. My butt is wet. I became Donna.
Adios.
Bye. Next stop. Next stop. Beach. Wait, you should have done this before we ate all the food.
I was too hungry. When Renee goes ham.
Sign Milo. My taro wasn't pretty, so excuse the lack of taro.
How tired is everyone?
Pretty tired. My head's still slightly spinning.
Almost.
Feel that. Very tired.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm okay.
Okay. Even after driving for 4+ hours.
Yeah, I'm fine. It's all the same.
Team play.
My eyes are just dry.
Thank you for driving.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
No, where you going down? Come here. Did I get it? Yeah,
Wait, I don't think I've ever done it.
Oh. Nothing. No response at all.
Huh? No, I think I missed the first one. These are too flimsy. You cut my arm.
Oh, I got crispy one just for you.
Why did I teach you this?
It's so fun.
Right?
Colombian fudge.
No, this one's chocolate orgy and this one is...
One of them's coffee.
I think this one's Colombian fudge. This tastes good though.
Literally just filming white road. It's not that bad.
I mean, I can kind of see how this is kind of bad if you're by yourself.
This is considered Ghost Road.
Is it officially named Ghost Road, or is that what it's been nicknamed?
No, it's just called Ghost Road.
Oh hell no!
Yo, this looks like the type of place where you can eat somebody.